Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am coming with very interesting topic that is called cloning. So cloning means I have 20 computers in my computer lab. So I want to share the software. Windows software. Like this, I have many software I need to share. So now I'm particularly I want to share Windows. So instead of just going installing individual system, so if I install for one system, we can connect through all over 20 to 30 systems. So this method we call it as cloning. So while running the computer system, so hope some people are not seeing how the computer CPU, the hardware work inside the system. So this is the method to cloning the systems. So it is easiest method. We can clone from one system to multi-system. For example, in a class or in a office, you can see a many number of systems like this. You can see many more systems. So all system can easily connected with only one system. So that is the speciality of main thing is sharing software from one drive to another drive, that is cloning. Many of the people don't know how the system working inside while we are working. It is very curious thing. When we are working, the system is covered and it is enclosed, and so this session explains you and shows you of inside the CPU the system is gonna working. This blue color light what you can see, this is also called as an indicator of power running of the system. So this is how the system been working. So if we can tell been throughout like this. So cloning is nothing but we having some software present inside the disk. So that software we have to connect it to computer. So in that computer we need to run the this fan is used to control the this fan is used to control the heat. So while system working on the time lot of heat generated, so these should control that heat. So we call it as a heat sink. So this is present in each and every system. So that blue color LED light, so that indicates that the system is being on, and this one small yellow light, so this is also blink while the system is on. So these lights are coming in oldest motherboard, not a newest. So the oldest motherboard having a LEDs, when the system on it should also on. So and this fan should work every time when your system on due to control the heat. So in last session I explained the different components of the motherboard. So this session explains you how the system working inside. So this is the primary memory and this is the secondary memory. So if I connect anything, any disk, so that first transfer to the here and again next transfer to here. These are the way to working. First from your disk, normal disk to primary memory, then primary memory to secondary memory. So this is the internal working or hardware components of the computer system inside the CPU. Now I collect all the data from the disk to primary memory, and I take my CPU and I connect it to this CPU to respected computer. So see viewers, this CPU is belongs to some other computer, but my software is run in some other computer. So I take software from that computer and I want to connect to this CPU. Now I install all the software from that system to this CPU. Now I connect this CPU to the real system. So now computer going to start. So computer start with the setting date and time. So if we are setting date and time, so one battery is very important. The name of the battery is called CMOS, that means complementary oxide semiconductor. So that supports date and time. So this is called CMOS battery, complementary metal oxide semiconductor. So it is used to setting date and time in the system. So after I fixing this, and also I'm fixing my CPU to the respected computer. So now you can see. Now cloning is successful. So our system content Windows 10. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.